how to style your braids, even with cornrows on it, just like my own. I've come to understand that many styles online I see are mostly box braids, different ways on how to style your box braids. But then when you have hairstyles like this, like cornrows attached to it, there are almost no videos on how to do that. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys different ways on how to style it. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video.
Do you wanna stay the night? Cause I don't wanna be alone. It's been weighing on my mind for too long, too long. Do you wanna save a life? Cause I just really need someone. I've been barely holding on, and I'm still running from my demons. I'm still hiding all my secrets, and I just need someone I believe in. Will you wait for me while I'm still healing? You know what to say every time I start to slip away, and I surrender, I surrender. There's no more falling down, I've hit the ground, so I surrender. And I surrender. There's no more falling down, I've hit the ground. You don't owe me anything, but I believe that you can show me all the things that I've been needing. I'm just hoping you give me a reason to go on. And I'm still running from my demons. I'm still hiding all my secrets, and I just need someone I believe in. Will you wait for me while I'm still healing? You know what to say every time I start to slip away, and I surrender, I surrender. There's no more falling down, I've hit the ground, so I surrender. And never promise I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay.
Which one of these hairstyles will you be trying on? Some of them might seem a little bit difficult, but in process of you trying, you get better. Let me know in the comment section which one of these you'll be trying on. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Please subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Rearrange stuff to your greatness, famous for the way up, play the game, bruh. Never